I want this year's 4th of July party set up to look super fun and festive, but I don't want to spend hours and hours crafting everything myself. So the company sent me this patriotic decorating kit for our 4th of July celebration, and it is making decorating so much easier. I'm doing a little test run, so I have everything ready to go. This year is the 250th anniversary, so I want something that will feel extra special for the occasion. I used this as a backdrop behind our treat table, and it made the whole setup look more put together. The red, white, and blue colors are really bright and cheerful, and I love how many different pieces are included in this kit. It comes with the big 1776-2026 banner, paper fans, hanging swirls, large tissue pom-poms, and the foil fringe curtain. So you really have everything you need in one box. The paper fans and pom-poms, they arrive flat, but they're easy to open up and assemble. There's nothing in the package that was complicated. You definitely don't need to be crafty to make it look nice. One thing I really like is that there's enough pieces to create some dimension instead of it just hanging a single banner and calling it done. Once everything's set up, it looks like I spent way more time decorating than I actually did. Right now, we're using it behind the treat table, but later during the night, we're going to move the table and have a fun photo backdrop. It's going to be a fun spot for family pictures, friend pictures, silly ones, really great memories to capture. If you're hosting a 4th of July party, a backyard barbecue, or celebrating America's 250th anniversary, this is an easy way to make your space feel festive without a lot of effort. It definitely helped pull our whole party setup together, and really I can use most of these supplies over and over again, whether it's 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day, Olympics, just so many options.